everyone. Welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. Today, we're going to talk about how to describe your day in English.
Yes, this is something we do every day. We talk about what we do in the morning, afternoon, and evening. It's very useful for daily conversations.
Let's start with the morning. When you wake up, you can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Then you can say, I get up, I brush my teeth, and I take a shower.
Don't forget breakfast. You can say, I eat breakfast at home, or I drink coffee before work.
Right. And then I go to work or I go to school. These are common phrases for your morning routine.
Let's do an example. Every morning, I wake up at 7, take a shower, eat breakfast, and go to university.
That's perfect. I'd say I wake up at 6:30, brush my teeth, drink coffee, and drive to work.
Now let's talk about the afternoon. You can say, I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Or I eat lunch with my friends. After lunch, you can say I go back to work or I study in the library.
If you're at school, you might say, I have English class in the afternoon.
And when you finish, you can say I go home or I take a rest.
Yes, that's a nice way to show what your day looks like.
Now it's evening time. You can say I eat dinner with my family.
Or I watch TV after dinner.
Some people like to say I read a book or I check my phone before bed.
And when it's time to sleep, you say, I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
That's right. You can also say I fall asleep at 11.
Let's do a short conversation, David. I'll ask you about your day.
Sure, go ahead.
So, David, what do you do in a day?
Well, I wake up early at 6:30. I take a shower, eat breakfast, and then go to work. In the afternoon, I teach English and have lunch with my coworkers. In the evening, I go home, eat dinner, and watch TV with my family. Then I go to bed around 10:30.
That sounds like a busy day.
It is. What about you, Emily? What's your day like?
I usually wake up at 7, eat breakfast, and go to university. I study until the afternoon. After class, I meet my friends or go for a walk. In the evening, I listen to music and read a book before I sleep.
That sounds relaxing.
Let's review some useful phrases from today's episode. I wake up at, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, I eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I go to work or school, I watch TV, I go to bed at...
Excellent. Try to use these sentences when you talk about your daily routine. You can even write them in a diary or journal.
Here's a challenge for you. Try to describe your own day in 5 sentences. Start with what you do in the morning and finish with what you do at night.
For example, I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I come home at 5, I go to bed at 10.
Simple and clear.
That's all for today's episode of Everyday English. We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about your day.
Next time, we'll talk about the weather, another great topic for everyday conversation.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.